Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'll show you how to edit your YouTube videos using free software without any watermarks whatsoever, and then I'll share my editing tips as well. The first step in editing a YouTube video is get coffee. Usually I start editing my YouTube videos around 1 a.m. in the morning. That's when I'm most productive kasi. So let's start actually getting into the editing experience. So what we're gonna discuss next is the frequently asked questions. What software do you use? I primarily use 3 kinds of software: Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and VINCI Resolve. I'm not gonna recommend the first 2 kasi paid apps yun. Although Premiere Pro is one of the best, it's usually used for professional work. I don't recommend it kasi you have to have a subscription plan monthly for 2,000 pesos. The 2,000 pesos includes all the programs in Adobe Suite. I don't recommend it if you're not working as a graphic designer, but in my case, I use it kasi for work. I switch around the programs almost every day, so it's kind of worth it to have a subscription to the Adobe Creative Suite. So next is the VINCI Resolve. So ito yung recommended program ko because number 1, it's 100% free. It has no watermarks whatsoever. No need to look for license keys para ma-export mo yung video mo without the watermarks. And what's good about the VINCI Resolve is it has a similar interface with Premiere Pro. And if you're already using Premiere Pro and you want to cut your expenses on the subscription, I recommend you using the VINCI Resolve. If you have a background in basic editing like Windows Movie Maker, I think it's gonna be a breeze for you kasi ano lang naman siya eh. The basic drag and drop, and then cut and join the clips. And if you wanna use more effects, it's gonna be a breeze din kasi andyan lang naman, may mga preset na siya, mga titles and effects. So next question is, what music do you use? Ang hirap nito kasi YouTube has been really strict with the music lately. May mga music na sa YouTube na nakalagay copyright free or royalty free. Kina-copyright strike pa rin siya ng YouTube and I don't know why. So what I do is, I find music on purpleplanet.com. I'll link it in the description. It'll have royalty-free music. It has a lot of categories: upbeat, inspirational, cinematic, emotional. Bukod sa Purple Planet, look at SOUNDCLOUD.com. Usually, yung pinipili ko doon is my favorite tracks but remixed. The artists there are relatively unknown. Chances are, hindi naman maka-copyright strike yung track na kukunin mo from them. You can ask permission. What I do is, I ask permission from the artist if I can use their track in my video. The artist will agree and give you permission. It's promotion for their track as well since they're just starting out. So it's kind of a win-win situation for the both of you. What kind of music I like? The kind of music I like for my videos are upbeat. Yung ma-beat siya, yung ma-dug-dug-dug. If maraming beat yung song, what I do is I sync the video with the beats. So it has a more music video-ish feel para mas mukha siyang professional. I'll insert a clip here. This is from my Hong Kong vlog. You'll see in a while. Nagsisync yung video sa music. Here, check it out. Okay, next question. What do you use with the intro? My intro is just my name, handwritten. What I did with that, I literally took a piece of paper and then wrote my name on it. Then pinicturean ko siya. And what I did is I edited the photo of the alyanna. I traced it using Adobe Illustrator. Medyo advanced na to, pero it's what I did. I traced it using Illustrator and then I animated it using After Effects. So, sinundan ko lang yung line na alyanna so it looks like it's being handwritten on screen. It's a bit more advanced. You can find a lot of tutorials on YouTube on that if you want to use that intro as well. You can use that technique of writing your own name para handwritten, para mas mukhang ma-effort yung vlog mo. You can use that technique. Tsuran mo lang yung handwriting mo and then use it to fade out, ganun. So, editing tips. Number 1 for editing tips is learn your keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts will make your life easier, will make your work faster, and mas streamline talaga yung workflow mo if you learn the keyboard shortcuts. Yung pag-cut, yung Control V, Control C, Control F, Control E, yung mga ganyan, it will really help you work faster in whatever program if ever you want to use VINCI Resolve and you are experienced in Adobe Premiere Pro, may option din na if you want to import the keyboard shortcuts na ginagamit mo sa Adobe Premiere Pro, pwede mo siya magamit sa VINCI Resolve. So that's what I recommend. Learn your keyboard shortcuts. It's gonna streamline your work so much better. Second tip is always view your video thrice. Diyan mo makikita yung mga edits, yung mga mistakes, yung mga clips na hindi naman dapat, if nakasync pa yung video or not, if nakasync yung audio with the video or not. So that's my tip, viewing your video thrice. And then third and final tip for editing is always save. Diyos ko!
Always save!
Dahil ilang beses na akong nakrashan ng laptop, ilang beses na ako nakrashan ng video editing program ko nang hindi pa ako nagsisave. And it's such a hassle, lalo na kung onti lang yung time mo to shoot and to edit, tapos magka-crash pa yung program mo, diba? It's such a hassle. Golden rule is always save no matter what program you're using. So that's all I have for you today, guys. I hope you learned something from my tips and what I'm doing with my vlogs. Also, let me know if may mga alam pa kayong free programs for editing. Ilalagay ko sa description box para makatulong din sa mga naghahanap ng free software. So yun lang, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye!